Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find this part, the TPMS antenna on this F10 5 Series BMW. So this part is underneath the driver's side, under the there's a cover underneath there. There's some 8mm bolts that you need to take it out. Under here, jack this up right here, jack this up, and then just take the 8mm bolts out and put this cover down, this one right here, and just put this cover, kind of bend this cover down, and you should see it right in there. Alright guys, I repositioned the car to the other side where it's gonna give me more rooms to video. This way you guys can see it better. Just a couple of 8mm bolts here that you need to take it out. And then you just bend this cover down, and the antenna or the receiver should be right there, right here. So to take it out, you just pull this down and it should just unclip from the tab. See this tab right here? All you gotta do is, here you can use a flathead or a pick tool like I'm doing here. There you go. So again, this is driver's side underneath the seat. Alright guys, I hope this video helps you find the TPMS receiver or the antenna, and if it helps you, consider likes and subscribe.